Today we have some pieces of broken jewelry that might be gold-filled. 76.5 grams. We will use dilute nitric acid to get rid of all the base metals.
Do not try this at home. In this video, I am using dangerous and corrosive acids that create toxic and even deadly fumes. An extensive working knowledge of these acids and their reactions is mandatory, and all personal protective equipment must be used. Disclaimer. I am not liable for any injury or damages that may occur from an attempt to recreate or duplicate any actions shown in this video.
With the addition of nitric acid, the reaction has started immediately. We will turn on the heat and allow the acid to dissolve the base metals into the solution. When the fume production has stopped, we can decant off our solution. A few pieces of base metal still remain. Here we will add a little more dilute nitric acid. Cover it up and allow the acid to dissolve the remaining base metals. All of the base metals are dissolved. Now we can pour off the solution and rinse our gold foils into the other beaker. Let's remove these watch bands. They seem to be stainless steel and haven't been affected by the nitric acid. Next, we can filter the solutions and capture our precious gold foils. The filter contains our gold foils as well as some gold mud. We've also got the stainless watch bands. They can be further processed in a sulfuric acid stripping cell. If you enjoyed this video, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Scrap Daddy 365